What's happened so far in the field of neuroscience is there's been a great deal of attention to exercise and cognition. There's been some interest in soft-style martial arts. No one's looked at Filipino martial arts.
It's supercharging your hand speed, it's supercharging your hand-eye coordination, and all of that goes in with the cognitive ability with those things.
Martial arts, and particularly FMA, requires you to think in a different sort of way because the stakes are higher.
3, 4.
Our theory going into this was that FMA, because of the intricacy of the drills and the complexity, would have certain cognitive benefits. So if you're just starting out in this art, it's a complete brain scramble.
Once you learn a complex movement, it's no longer complex. So constantly learning different types of movements is absolutely key to creating those new pathways, those synaptic pathways and neuron pathways.
That's it.
To test out that hypothesis, we have the control group doing conditioning, and then we have our test group who are learning these very complex drills. We gave them all cognition tests at the beginning and end of the study. Both groups improved their test scores, but the martial arts group showed a greater improvement in particular tests. There's definitely been a change in their learning. Our brains are incredibly malleable, and it's actually really important to continue to train our brains with aging. So if you train your brain enough, that when the process of aging does begin to slow that down, you have some surplus.